So do you ever wonder how we pick a size? I am certainly not picking the size for my patients. Been there, done that, no thanks. What's a B to one person could be a C to another. Everyone wears their bra differently. And you can't go by C's and D's anymore because there are companies that are putting size 2 labels on size 6 clothing so people can brag they're a size 2. On what planet? Put on French and Italian clothes and your eyeballs pop out, you're suffocated that they're so tight. On the other hand, there are companies that are putting double D labels on C cup bras so people could brag they're a double D. It's all marketing. So sizing with numbers and letters no longer works. What about going to the internet and finding people with 375 and 400 or 500 cc's to see what they look like? You don't know if that person had 500 cc's of their own breast before they put that implant in. That can't work. It's what you start with plus what you add, not just the implant that you pick. What about asking what your friend got? Well, there are people that are shaped like hourglasses and people that are shaped like pears. Everybody's shape is different, so every implant looks different on every person. That doesn't work either. Then there are doctors that'll ask you what you want, measure you with calipers and a tape measure, go to the catalog of breast implants and try to match what they think will look good on you. Well, to me, that's like going online after measuring yourself and trying to buy a wedding dress that you never tried on. You know how that's going to work out. And this one, you can't alter so easily after it's in. So how do you do this? Well, it's really pretty simple. You come in a week or so before surgery. We put you in a sports bra. Your breast in that bra plus an implant sizer is exactly how big you're going to be when it's finished. So you stand in front of the mirror, you put in sizers, and you see what you think looks good to you, because after all, you're the one that has to be happy. Now, in order to succeed doing that, I think you should bring a suitcase that day. Why? Because if you put a heavy sweater on, your breasts are going to look half the size. If you put a tight white t-shirt on, they're going to look double the size. You have to try on those and other clothes in between that you like to wear. So it's really that simple. Know what you're going to look like as far as size and proportion before you start.